There's a category of treatments that doesn't change your face overnight. It rebuilds your skin from the inside out.
Non-surgical anti-aging treatments are improving the sign of aging without surgery. So Botox actually relaxes the muscles and fillers. If you have volume loss, can kind of give you the volume back. Microneedling, Moxie, Morpheus, and Halo all stimulate collagen and elastin, and also helps with texture and tone of the skin. Can also help with acne scarring and diffuses redness. SkinPen microneedling treats tone and texture, pore size, and fine lines and wrinkles. It stimulates collagen and elastin. Anytime that we do an injury to our body will go in and heal that injury, which then brings tighter skin and more collagen and elastin. By adding PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma, we actually do a blood draw, spin, and separate the PRP, and then we microneedle that into your skin, which is a growth factor, which helps with healing.
Sculptra is a biostimulator that is made out of PLLA or poly-L-lactic acid. This product stimulates an inflammatory response which triggers fibroblasts within the body, which stimulates collagen.
Morpheus8 is radiofrequency microneedling. I actually got top 10 in the nation for Morpheus8 results. You're taking microneedling and you build these little channels that makes an injury signal. Then you take radiofrequency, which is the tightening signal. Combining those two together, I can actually sculpt out the jawline, hit the adipose fat. So if you have some mental fat, I can actually get rid of that, and then also give you a tightening. Mostly after GLP-1s, if you just have a little bit of laxity, this will actually go in there and tighten up that tissue, whether it be your stomach or your thighs.
The downtime with Sculptra is roughly 24 to 48 hours due to the swelling, but there's no procedural downtime.
The downtime for Morpheus8 depends on the patient individually. Most people have just a little bit of redness when they leave the office, and that dies down within the next 24 hours. Most people for Morpheus8 will need 3 to 6 treatments, and they're spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart.
The typical number of sessions for Sculptra is we start with 2 to 3 vials, and then maintenance 1 vial a year.
After your first treatment with Morpheus8, you will start to see the results. Results last, it's not like you're ever going to go back to baseline. You do want to come back about once or twice a year to retouch that Morpheus, because every day we still are aging.
So the results of Sculptra will happen gradually over time, roughly around 4 to 6 weeks, and they should last you roughly 2 to 3 years.
The best candidate for Morpheus8 is honestly anybody. It's safe for all skin types. You would have to do a consultation to see what your expectation is, and I would be able to tell you honestly if Morpheus8 would be better for you or if a surgery with Dr. Barker.
Someone that is a good candidate for Sculptra is someone that has mild facial volume loss and overall wants a tighter and glowier appearance.